my name is Kathleen. I'm a customer success engineer at Trellix. Today, I'd like to give you a quick tip on how to assign client tasks in ePO. So what we're going to do, first we'll go to the Assign Client Task page to assign a client task to all systems. In this page, all systems are affected because I was in my organization. That's the subgroup or the group I was in. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to deploy MER for ePO MER. And we have different options. We can lock this so it is not broken, the inheritance is not broken below this point. We can send this task to all computers, or we can send the task to only those computers that have a specific tag. And I'll just come in here and add a tag. Okay, and that brings me to one system. We can enable the task or disable the task. We can schedule the task daily, weekly, monthly, once, at system startup, run immediately, when idle, or at log on. This is rarely ever used. So if we do daily, we can start it and select the start time. We can run it once at that time, or we can run it at that time and then repeat until a certain time in the day, and we can determine how many hours we want it to run every other hour. Then we can choose coordinated universal time, which means all your systems will get it at exactly the same time, or local time on managed systems. If we're sending this task to a lot of systems, we would want to enable randomization so it doesn't send to every single system at the same time. If this is a task that might take a long time, but you don't want it to take a long time, then you may want to schedule it to cancel at a certain period of time. And then you can also run this mistasked sometime, 10 minutes maybe, after the system starts up in case it missed it when it was scheduled. So typically I have run immediately because I want the task to run right away. So I'm going to save that. And then I'm going to come to my systems. And this is the one that has that tag. So I'm going to wake it up. And we'll click OK. And then we'll come over, we can check the server task log, and it's completed. So come back to the system tree, and we can see that this task, I've done it twice now, this task has been assigned to this system. All right, now we can also select it by one system in another way, where we come to Actions, Agent, Edit Tasks on a single system, and then we're going to do another new client task assignment, and we'll do the same thing. We'll select Product Deployment, Deploy ePO MER, and we have the same options. Everything is exactly the same. We'll run immediately, and I'll save this. And you can see that this node, we have Deploy ePO MER to this node, which is right here, which is that system. So we'll go back to the system tree, and we're going to select that system and wake it up. And we'll check the server task log. That was quick. And then we will come in here and look, and we see the task right here that it has been assigned and applied. And those are the different ways to automate your client tasks in ePO. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more product insights from Trellix.